So, right now, we are on the way to Ratchet Friday in New Jersey.
Krispy Kreme, yeah, bitch, I stay clean. Krispy Kreme, yeah, bitch, I stay clean. Krispy Kreme, yeah, bitch, I stay clean. Fucking on your thought.
Yeah. Pretty excited. Are you excited, Devin?
I'm excited for a car show.
Face?
That's my excited face.
He's excited. So yeah. Got about a 2-hour drive ahead of us. Devin made his car all squeaky clean and whatnot. He got this sick new
Pokemon.
Yeah.
It's Pokemon Gen 3. Thank you in focus. Actually, hold on. Is that? Might be Gen 4. I don't know which generation Pokemon, honestly. It's Pokemon.
It's Pokemon. That's all you need to know.
The Chespin Pikachu. Forgot what the fox is called.
If you guys know what the fox is called, or what the fox says, what does the fox say?
What does the fox say?
No. Like, what is this? Like, no memes right now.
But yeah, just enjoy this ride of a bunch of random sped up B-roll. Yeah, we'll let you know. Caught up with my words. We'll let you guys know when we're there.
Pump it up. Just pump it up.
What's up, guys? We have made it to Ratchet Friday. Ooh, look at the Miatas. It's beautiful. So yeah, Steven's car parked right here. The track looks like it's over there, so we're just gonna walk over, see what's good. Yeah, stay tuned for some awesome footage. I'm walking through here. We paid $20 to get into this dumb spectator seat. I'm doing what I want. Like so many cars here. It's a little overwhelming. I'm making that face down.
Overwhelming is the word I'll use for this.
Devin's disappointed because there's a bunch of stock cars in here.
Not disappointed.
I would be disappointed.
Okay, I'm a bit disappointed. Money is no object to cars.
That is entirely true. Also, I'm trying to save money because I'm going on a trip later.
Well, why do you think
I'm going to
I
Los
stopped
Angeles.
Why do you think I stopped buying parts for my car?
Because you're broke as fuck?
No, I'm trying to save up cash.
I'm trying to save up money so I can go to the Porsche experience.
Slow for me. I'm just like excited and I want to look at everything and they're just like taking their time. Look at this thing. Oh my god. How was I ready for that? Christ. This is rare. What?
Like, I want a Miata now.
Let's go look.
Don't you judge me. I'm disappointed.
He's disappointed.
Yes.
Why are you disappointed? Oh god, if this is automatic, I'm gonna go home. Alright, Devin, they did a good job. It's not auto.
Corolla right behind us. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh god. Oh, that's even worse.
Honestly, the time I drove and the money paid, I would give it 5 out of 10. Like, cause in there was straight fire. Out here is straight water.
Yeah.
Like, I've never been more relaxed in my life.
Yeah, we could definitely leave at 9 if you want.
Oh, we definitely leave it at 9. I ain't sticking around for this.
Get the fuck out of here.
How?
This is basically just like
It's a Burger City meat
This
that I
is
had
a
to
huge
pay.
Burger City meat that you pay for.
Like,
That's
I don't
all
even
it
like going to
is.
Burger City sometimes.
This is kind of interesting. Like what? What is this? It's auto.
I guess we'll start with the stock Honda right behind us.
Oh, nice. That's beautiful. You're in VIP.
Got the plastic wheels and everything. You got the eBay special Z across the street.
I see. I don't even know what to say about this. I don't even. Okay.
My question more is, how do you see out the back window with those louvers?
With louvers, you just have to use the side mirrors.
I expect it. It would still whip my car in a straight line.
I haven't found out we like it in here much better because you know, ours are.
This lot shows what happens when you actually take your time.
Here's where the cool kids are.
You take your time when you build and don't rush it.
Bills, you can make it in here.
It's make me wanna. And when you don't take your time when you build and you rush it,
That was so cool.
why did you get the?
Hey.
You get into the lot over there. So,
We don't want to be in a lot over there. We want to be in this lot. All
from
parked
now
all
on,
slanted and whatnot.
Devin's gonna take it slower for his car and actually buy more real parts
Agreed.
and get here one day where the cool kids are, and not where the very annoying racer kids are. Stock Honda.
They're having a Honda revving match right now.
Someone's blowing ahead tonight.
Definitely.
Like, it's
Definitely.
happening. Someone's blowing up a motor.
What you mean? Look at this skyline. Just look. This is what I live for. This thing is beautiful. All right, so we're. Okay.
Like, wait, save it for the car.
So we're leaving now, walking back towards the car, and Devin is just kind of upset because, like.
I'm not upset.
Okay, that's kind of a cool FRS.
That actually is.
Let's get closer. Oh my God, is it red? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, this is so sick.
See, now this should have been in there. Exhaust company. There's Blitz exhaust for the FRS.
And a wheel. This is sick. Whoever's car this is, you're doing a nice job. But yeah, here the obnoxious Subi in the background popping. But yeah, we're just getting ready to leave. It's a pretty good turnout. We hope to come back one day again, probably next month. But we did learn a lot about coming to Ratchet Friday.
A lot.
That we should have just paid the $15 and we could have got in.
That I will remember that for next
Yeah.
time.
Next
Yeah.
time we will definitely have my car. That's a promise. Ooh, that's a nice seat. But
Also learned
yeah,
something else about Ratchet
we're
Fridays.
just gonna be on the way home now. The car's over there now.
Oh shit! Oh, there it is. We also learned something else about Ratchet Fridays.
What else did we learn about Ratchet Fridays?
That it's half awesome, half kind of trash.
It is half kind of trash because there's a bunch of like dumb like cars here that should not have been back there.
We saw a
Kinda pissed
stock
me off.
Forester and stock SUV.
Oh yeah, this is definitely a cooler car here.
Broken.
Look at this.
Most broken car here.
Well, thanks for watching this vlog, and hope you enjoyed some of the cars. You guys can comment your favorite cars that you saw. Someone is two-stepping really hard. I just realized that. Oh god. We out.